Hi students, welcome to Narayana virtual classes. So today our amazing assignment in physics class 8 related to the force lesson. So let us move on to the first question. So detect the errors of the following statement. So they given one statement here. Because the core is at rest, no forces are acting on it. Is it correct, student? No. So every object experiences the force in the universe. Say yes or no, if you take the any object, so if you keep the object on the horizontal surface, definitely the gravitational force is acting downward direction. And so whenever the two surfaces are in contact, definitely the normal force is perpendicular to the surface. Normal force is always perpendicular to the surface. So even though the body is at rest, the two forces are acting on it. Say yes or no? So that's why because the core is at rest, no forces are acting on it is not correct. It is a wrong statement. How can we correct this statement? Means because the core is at rest, the net force acting on the body is zero or no net force acting on it. So once you see, so no net force is acting on it means nothing but, so the net force is equal to 0. The net force is equal to 0. So net force is equal to 0 means is nothing but the balanced forces acting on it. So the net equal and opposite forces acting on any object means that is the state of equilibrium. So on that state, the net force is equal to 0. So equal forces are acting on the object in opposite directions. On that time, they do not change the object's motion. So it is the rest only. So observe students, suppose for example both are pushing here. So opposite direction, suppose 2 newtons applying by this boy and also the same 2 newtons applying opposite direction. So these are called balanced forces. So in the state of balanced forces acting on them, so the body is at rest position only. Suppose they asked because the core is at rest, the core is at rest or stationary core. So two surfaces, here two surfaces are contact. So two surfaces are contact means two normal forces are acting on the core. So how many contacts are there? So those many normal forces acting on that. So the gravitational force, it is equal to mg. So here the 2n is equal to mg. Here the 2n is equal to mg. So both are acting balancing forces. So then the car is at stationary. So then we can tell here, so because the core is at rest, but the no net force are acting on the object or no net force is acting on it. So this is the first question. Next we move on to the second question. So define the pressure. So what is the pressure? So force per unit area is called pressure. Simply we can tell force per unit area is called pressure. So force per area. So pressure depends on the applied force and area of contact. So pressure is equal to force by area. So if less area of contact, more pressure, and more area of contact, less pressure. Say yes or no? So what is the unit of force here? It is Newton. And what is the SI unit of area here? Meter square. The Newton per meter square is also known as the Pascal. So we can indicate that is the PA. The symbol, it is PA. So the SI unit of pressure is Pascal. So SI unit of pressure is Pascal. So then we move, let us move on to the third question. So why do you tools meant for cutting always the sharp edges? Sharp edges. So if you observe, so while we are cutting the apples, so sharp edges tools we can use. So why? Because sharp edges tools are better for cutting. Better for cutting. Why? Because so those sharp edges tools having the less area of contact. So the less area of contact means more pressure. If you want to cut the any object means we need to apply the more pressure. We need to apply the more pressure. So yes or no? That's why, so the less area, more pressure. That's why, so the always the sharp edges tools are used to cutting the all objects. So those are the best methods. And next we go for the fourth question. Objects change their state of motion due to the net force acting on them. So when they change, the objects change their state of motion. So whenever the net force is not equal to 0, so net force is not equal to 0.